Mika, there's something I need to tell you, baby. Do you know what it is? Mika, you're adopted. Yes, baby, you are adopted. I'm sorry, but we love you like you're our child, like you're our real child, you know? Mika, can you give... Mika, can we just talk? No, let's just talk about this. Come on. Baby, give me a high five if you still love me. Come on, Pommy, come on. No. Mika, it's okay to be adopted, baby. It's okay. Oh. Mika, I know you're upset. Mika, it's okay. Let's sit down and have a conversation. Come on, sit down. Mika, we love you like you're our child, baby. It's okay to be adopted. Yes, it is okay, baby. We love you so much. Mika, do you love us too? You love us too? Aw, okay, good. Mika, do you love me? Do you love me too? You do. Aw, good girl. Mika, if you still love me, give me a high five. Come on, high five. Yay! Oh, we love you, baby. Here, Mika, do you want a treat? Yes. We love you, Mika. Aww. Yay! Aww, we love you guys so much. Make sure you guys subscribe to our channel. I hope you guys loved this video of Mika's reaction to telling her that she's adopted. We'll see you guys in our next video.